Hey everyone, what's up? It is the 28th day of me doing the Quora Partner Program, and this is the 4th episode of me bringing you along with me on this process. And I wanted to show you that after 27 days of payments posted, I am now over the $50 threshold. So I'm at $53.55 from 27 days of posting, payments posting, and 28 days of asking questions. If you noticed, they switched a thing up here. You have to go to your profile icon to access the partner program versus the little link in the homepage that they used to have. So that was some change that they pushed through one of these days between episodes here. And then I wanted to show you my questions with the highest earnings to show you that I have a few questions now that I've broke the dollar barrier. So it looks like 3, 1 very close, 2 very close, okay, a few very close, and the continuing trend of there not being a trend. I have 351 views on this and I'm earning $2.17. You go down here, I have 8,000 views, 98 cents. And I'm sure I have some down here that have far more views than those highest ranking or highest earning questions. So it's seeming like the more and more we go through this process, it's just a numbers game. Get more questions out there and hope that people are searching for it and that they're getting served up ads, and then I'm guessing that they're clicking on them is what's generating the revenue here. But I wanted to show you these new earnings, and then I'll show you the chart that I've been keeping track of everything. And you'll see that slight, it's trying to be a hockey stick, but not quite. There was a few days in here too, actually, I think, 2 or 3, where I hit $5, actually, so 2 days, and then one was at $4.92. Last night was the lowest in recent history at $3.20, and actually I'm hoping this is not a cue, but the day before I didn't ask very many questions. The way that everything is explained in their frequently asked questions, that shouldn't impact your daily earnings because you have that pool of questions trailing you that's earning money for you regardless of what you asked the previous day. So as long as you have that pool of questions continue to grow over that 365-day rolling target of having your questions earn revenue, it should continue to grow here. So I'm hoping that this is just an anomaly here, this $3.20, and we continue to tick upwards, but we'll see as we go. So just wanted to show you how we're doing on the 27th day of payment posting, 28th day of asking questions. The next time you see me, I'll probably either be posting about whether or not I actually got paid or whether I break the $100 barrier. I'm thinking those will be the 2 thresholds that will prompt my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this is worthwhile, and please consider subscribing. Thanks.